Hi, I made this video for showing you how to sign up into Fiverr.com website, and you can register as a freelancer and work for freelancing projects. So this is Fiverr.com websites where you can see Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com, and you can sign in, or if you are already account, or you can sign up. So let us click on sign up. Here you can see continue. We can have it continue with Facebook or Google ID, or you can go with your existing Gmail ID. So I'm giving here my email ID and I can sign up here. So I'll show you how to sign up now when you have a new account. So just click on continue and you can choose a proper username. Username, you can give your name or your first name or your whatever name you want to show it on the Fiverr website. Okay, and you give proper password and with as per your convenience, and you can click on join. So immediately your password will be added here. Okay, so now your account is ready and you will be receiving confirmation account link where to your email ID. So just open your email and check your confirmation link which you can click on the link and activate your account. So this is Fiverr website where you can see your profile and all settings, and you can see the all the gigs that are up in the Fiverr. So you can check with other gigs also. You can do create your own gig. So gig means nothing but your ad, showing your ad on the Fiverr. So how will you give your ad means how will you produce yourself to the online viewers in the Fiverr. So Fiverr is a website where everyone are looking for freelancers who can work with them, who can collaborate and work. So there you can work with people or companies, and you can do their work and you can earn some income for each work that you are giving to them. So this is how the activation link will be reaching to your email. So you can see in this email, the email is received by the Fiverr.com website like this. So just click on that email and you can activate your account for Fiverr. So just click here, activate your account. So it will show up here, Fiverr, you are almost there. So just click on activate your account. So your account will be activated, and then coming back to the Fiverr account here. Yeah, once your account is activated, it will show up like this. This is your profile here. Okay, and you can see your profile details in the upside right side corner here. Your profile picture you can add, and you can see the gigs and all etc. on your website. So let us go to creating a gig now. Once your account is registered, you are signed up into the Fiverr, you can just check your profile by clicking profile details, and here you can add your logo or your profile picture. If it is you can add your picture itself, or if you are collaborating with your any other name, you can just add a logo here that you have to that will represent as you on the Fiverr.com. So just you can upload a logo if you want. Here I am uploading a logo here, and I can just check on any other details that are scroll down onto the screen. Each and every detail you have to mention here, like description means about you, you have to mention what type of work you are open to do work with them, all skills on education, all these details you have to mention in the Fiverr profile. So once it is done, you can just click on create your gig. So here it will show you how to create your gig. So just you have to click on the action button that is showing up continue, and then you can check your you can just check your personal information here, how your profile will look to the viewers, online viewers in the Fiverr. So Fiverr is a website where all the companies or any people who are having the requirement to do some work, they will be looking for the candidates or looking for the freelancers that who are liking to work with them. So you have to create your gig here by mentioning your details completely. What about you have to mention here. Okay, so like how will you, what type of work you can do, and who you are, and how much of experience do you carry. All these details you can give it here. So once you have given submitted all the details, your profile will be looking complete, and people who visits your profile, they will show interest in giving the work for you. So if you are not giving complete information, the people also will not show interest much to collaborate with you. So give complete information that is reliable, and show that you are able to work with them, collaborate with them, and able to work with them, and you can give your work satisfying to the clients. Okay, like that. If you mention in your description, it will be good. Here I am giving some sample description for this, and you can check as per your requirement. You give your description. Description is nothing but talking about yourself. You have to give your story, tell your story, what type of work you are doing, who you are, and from how much of experience you are carrying. Like this kind details you can mention here in this description. Once it is done, you can just click on continue, so that your gig will be ready and your profile will be ready. So let me complete this description here. Okay, then here you can see the description. I am typing sample just for example to show you in this video. You can change it as per your thing. Here I am talking about a graphic designing, so I am talking in description also I mentioned about graphic designing. If you are any other, you can mention according to your subject. Okay, so it may be graphic designing, or it may be preparing Excel sheets, or it may be preparing some templates, social media templates, or any source that you are ready to do. Okay, so what type of work you can able to do, that work you have to mention in your own words, so that the viewers who read your description will get an idea about you, what type of work you can able to do. Then click on the next step. So we will go to the next step. So if you have any corrections, you can able to do, otherwise it will not allow to move on to next step. So just I am correcting small corrections here. Okay, then you can click on continue. You can see your personal, some more details you need to add, that is your qualification, your what type of occupation you can do. So here you check some details that you can able to do. Then skill set you can add, at least add one skill set according to your subject. There are number of skill set available. You can choose any one, or you can choose more than one. Also skill sets, any number of skill sets you can add, as how much you are proficient in that skill. You can mention the years of experience also. So after mentioning your occupation, you can select the how many years of experience do you have, and just click on continue. So if you want, you can fill all the details like skill set. At least one skill set you had to add. So according to your advertisement, you can add a skill set. Okay, and then you can add a number of skill sets here. Then just go on, continue. So it will show you are almost done. Your profile is ready. Now next thing we need to do is creating our gig. So profile, once it is ready, you have to prepare your gig. In Fiverr, gig means nothing but an advertisement of yourself. Okay, so what type of work or what type of service you are going to give as a freelancer, what type of work you are able to do, that is nothing but a gig. You have to prepare your gig first. So how much you are charging, how much what type of work you are going to do, these are all we will prepare in our gig. So we can create more than one gigs here in your profile. So just go log in and just go into the profile section and select their dashboard. So you will see a menu. So let me open my dashboard here. So just you can see nearby profile dashboard view will be there. Go to the profile here, dashboard. Yes, click on this dashboard and you can see the dashboard view where you can see the menu above. So in the header section, select gigs. Okay, so the gigs are that you have already created will be showing up. And now we are going to create a new gig. So just click on the button, create a new gig. So select here, create a new gig. So here you have to tell about your gig, your advertisement. So what you will do. So it will start by default I will. Now you can add your details. I will do something like graphic designing or like that. You can add up to some characters and then about your details. Design like logo creations or social media posts or flyers or banner images like that you can add. It will allow only limited characters, so type up to limited characters only in the title, gig title. Gig title means the idea, you are giving an idea about who you are, what type of work you are going to do. So give a proper title here. So simply you can give I'm a graphic designer, I will do graphic designing work, designing logos and all like that you can give. So just you can give us in a very simple words, you can just able to give that. So let me type here my gig title here. For an example, I'll do graphic designing here. Just I'm giving this title, and social media marketing or something you can add it if you are able to do that also. Then afterwards select the next option, that is a category, under which category your gig falls. So it is a graphic designing, so select graphic designing or graphic designing for streaming or something like that. So let me choose here graphic designing for streaming. For streaming means nothing but like for video editing and all, YouTube channels and all, you can use this graphic designing. Streaming means you are able to do banner images, YouTube thumbnails and all. For that I am selecting this option here for now, for example, and you can able to change as per your requirement. And then just go for scrolling down, select the next option here, your details, more details here, like skill shares you can type, like select any one option here suitable. So let me select one option here. Then afterwards give some tags. Tags means the keywords that's will be shown up into the searches when happen here, right? So you can give here, I'm giving here something like YouTube thumbnails and then graphic designing. To you can separate the tags by just using enter, and then thumbnail will be created. Then just select any one option, YouTube and you can select for which categories you can able to do. You just select the check boxes and then go for this tags. You can type by pressing enter button, so that each tag you can add up to 5 tags. So type one tag and then press enter, tag another, type another tag and then press enter, like that. And for now I am using only 2 tags, and then continue. Just click on continue. Here your gig will be ready partially. Now here you can see scope and pricing, means you have to give your price here, what how much you are going to charge. So enable 3 packages, gig packages are there, 3 types of packages. So basic, standard and premium. So you can add 3 packages here according to your work. So let me type first basic packages. I am giving sample work, very simple design work I will give a logo design, and I'll give any one media poster or something like that. Basic design you have to mention here. So basic charges will be applicable for this plan. This is a package, okay, and then just type complete description what and all you are offering in this basic package. So you can select here and type the requirements. Then you can select the reviews, how many types of reviews you can able to give. So I'll select one review, means any corrections in there in the design, one time they can just ask them for review. Then and all rest of the things not needed now. So just go on scrolling down and type the pricing here. It will be in the dollars, so mention at least minimum dollars it takes is $5. So you can charge according to your work, according to how much time you are spending. You fix a amount for your gig, for your work that you are going to offer to them. So here for this basic package I am offering something like I have given type something like $10. And then next package is standard package, same title and description you have to give. Here standard package little more added features than the basic features, so you can add some more features and then add more work, and you can add reviews also, one time review or 2 time review, like that you can enable. So it all depends on your sole experience and how much you are going to spend time on that work, and what type of work you are going to give, the quality of the work, and also okay review I'll give one time here also, and here I'll charge something like around let me apply here $25. Then for this package, this is all just an example, you can give your amount here. And then premium is completely a very high project, means you are taking complete project of the client and you are going to do each and every step-by-step process, and reviews also you can add like 2 to 3 reviews for them, and you can give complete package for them, like set of some post, set of some thumbnails, like that you can give. And time also you have to mention for this delivery time, 2 days or 1 day or one week or like that, you can, depending on the project you have to mention the timing. And then just select the review, means 2-3 days. Here I am selecting this is timing, and then I'll select 10 days or 7 days, let me check. And then review I can go for 3 reviews or 2 reviews, and then I'll go for adding the price, something around $50. This charges a lot. We are going to talk with the client and completely take their requirements and do complete project until they get satisfaction from our designs. Okay, so this is a premium project, you have to spend more time also, so you can charge a little more. And then just check on any other options and then click on save and continue. So here you have to add your description about your gig. So just add what type of work you are doing, and the type of for this gig, and the amount you are spending, and time of amount you are spending, and like you can add all the details here. Little intro about your gig means about you. By reading this description, clients has get an interest to offer a work for you. Like that, you have to prepare your description in this gig. Okay, so every time you need to update this description and give properly and clear idea about you, about your work. Okay, so let me type something here like description. So here I am talking about here graphic designing, so I am typing about graphic designing here. You can able to type any other if you want, just according to your requirement you can type. So think in a client version and then type it properly and use proper words, easy understandable and clear idea about your work. So okay, so whatever you are typing here, that only client will expect from you. So type clearly about your experience level, work quality, timing and all etc things. You can type it here and then just go with any asking questions, means clients any questions will be expecting from you, no? So you can just answer to them, just guess some question and then answer to them. So any who is reading your description or your gig, no, they will get immediately what type of question they will get. You can guess, right? So according to your gig, you can guess some questions and add your questions and answers here, so that they will clear the question and answers. If they get like this kind of doubts immediately, again no need to take time to connect with you and have interaction with you. Immediately they will get a answer to their questions and then they will further process, go for the next step. So just type some question and answers here. You can add any number of question and answers. We call it as a facts or FAQs. Then afterwards, after adding answers properly, I'm just adding a sample question and answer here. You can check it on the screen, and if you want you can add a question and answer according to your gig. Okay, just assume and answer, then just go with save and continue. Again see that one more question you can add here, like asking the requirements from the client. So if they interact with you, what are the requirements you want to ask with the client? That requirements you can post it here. If you have some requirements like application status, we can say, okay, so that they can give their details all in what are the requirements you want from them to design a logo, what are the details you want, or to design a poster, what are the requirements they want, like the title or the color effect or branding colors or the font sizes and what type of size they want or how many copies they need or in what time they need. All these requirements you can ask with them in a question format. So just give the requirements here. You can attach a file if you have any file, or you can attach a Google form also asking all these questions and paste the link here. Otherwise you can type it here, all the questions only, so that they will read and they will get back to you with those requirements, answers to your requirements. Okay, so this is important when you are going to have an interaction with the client. Then click on continue. So once it is done, your gig is ready. Now you have to add your work samples here. So just add what type of work you can able to do or you have done already, the work samples here. Just click on browse and add any videos editing you have done, you can add, or any images you have done, you can add those images. All the files that you have worked with already, you can add those files, or sample files you can just create and add those files here. I'm just adding some sample files here just to show you in the gig. Add the sample files, click on browse and add the sample files. Let me add the files here, 1 or 2 files I'm adding, just for example. You can add any if you have your work, you can add those files here. Just I'm adding here some sample files. Okay, then click on okay, here just click on agree and save and continue. So you are almost there. Now just go for publishing your gig. So your gig is ready now. You did it. Your gig is now live. Now you can publish your gig and anybody can see on Fiverr your gig. Okay, so just if you want to check it gig preview, you can just go for checking the preview of your gig. So you can go to your profile and see the gig preview here. This is how your gig will look like. So just click on here your gigs and select click on gigs here and then select your gigs. Go to gigs, just select here gigs and you can go with see the gig how it is showing, standard price and basics and premium price ranges. It will show like this to the viewers on the Fiverr. Okay, so you can see the idea how it will look, the description of the gig and the profile, your profile, everything it will show you. It will show you like this. So this is about how you can create your gig on fiverr.com. okay, so hope this video has will help you to create your gig now. So you can just create your gig and start posting about your gigs, your ads here on the Fiverr and get some work from the clients online, and you can work remotely at anywhere and you can just start earning from fiverr.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit on notification icon so that you will get notifications of the latest updates or videos that I will upload in this channel. Thank you.